So I'm starting off by pouring 2 cups of vegetable oil into a skillet. I'm gonna let that preheat on medium high. Here I have some boneless, skinless chicken breast. And so what we're gonna do with these is we're gonna cut them in half so we can have about 6 fillets. And I'm just making sure that I'm cutting them evenly so I don't have too thick or too thin pieces. So now I have all my chicken breast split in half. So I have 6 patties now. So now I'm just gonna season them. So I have seasoning salt, garlic powder, and then some black pepper. I'm making sure that I'm not over seasoning it because my breadcrumbs have seasoning in it already. And so now I'm just gonna mix those up to get all the seasoning throughout the chicken. And then I'm also just gonna add a little bit of salt. So this is my chicken after it's seasoned. Next, we're gonna prepare the egg wash. So in a bowl, you wanna crack 2 eggs and then add 1/4 cup of milk to that. And then just shake it up until everything is all blended. Here I have my breadcrumbs prepared. These are the breadcrumbs that I used. And then I have some flour poured into a bowl. And so now we're ready to start coating our chicken. So I'm gonna take the chicken, dip it in the flour, get it nice and coated all around. And then I'm gonna put it in the egg wash and then followed by the breadcrumbs. And you're just gonna repeat this process with all the pieces. So now all my chicken is coated, and so we can start frying. So my skillet here is preheated, and you're just gonna drop in about 3 pieces at a time. And they're gonna cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Um, it really depends on your heat too. It could probably take 4, 5 minutes on each side, but just watch it and make sure they don't burn. And you don't have to cook them too hard because when you put them in the oven, they're gonna cook more. And over here, I have some noodles getting started. You can use whatever noodles you want, but these are the ones that I'm using. So this is what it looks like after our chicken is done. And here I have some marinara sauce, so I'm just gonna put that on top of every piece of chicken. And I'm just pouring the extra sauce in between the chicken. You could put it with the noodles if you'd like, but I'm just pouring it all with the chicken. And so next I'm gonna top my chicken with this Italian blend. It has Parmesan, mozzarella, and a few other ones, but this is what I'm using. And you're just gonna put it on top of every piece of chicken. So I have my oven preheated to 350, and so I'm just gonna let it sit in there for about 15 minutes. And here is the final result. And now I'm just gonna put me some on a plate with my noodles, and it looks delicious. It's steaming hot, just how I like it, and it tastes even better. So I hope you guys give this a shot. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.